Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to share Telegram group link. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe, share, like the video, and click on the notification bell. Now let's dive into how to share Telegram group. Firstly, click on your Telegram app on your screen on your smartphone. After clicking on it, it brings you to your chat. After then, you click on any group that you want to share the link. As for me, I want to click on this group. After clicking on it, it brings you into the chat. And after then, click on this. After you click on this, it brings you here. After it brings in you here, click on these three dots here. After clicking on it, it brings you here. After then, click on share. After clicking on share, it brings you here. That you can share on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, and you can also share to other apps. And you can also save. You can also copy the link here by clicking this icon here. See now the link is copied, and you now know how to share Telegram group.